How to start a fish farming business at home. Fish farming is also a combination of hard classes, and it can also earn income from it. This is also a good thing. A lot of people have been successful in this business. It is important to have this business before it can be started. First of all, it is imperative to be a hobby for this business. Read fish farming books. Visit lots of fish farming interviewers who work there. Then you will decide whether you can do this. If there is so much space in your house, then you can make a pond in it. If you do not have much room to build a pond in your house, then you can also get help from a fish tank. This will cost a little more. You can put up to 68 big fish in a 72 square foot pond. A fish weight can be up to 5 kilograms. According to the success of the fish farm, the choice of suitable place is on. For a fish farm, look for a place that is clean and watery, where water can be easily reached. Wait for such a pot that can stay there. Tubal canal and rainwater can be used for a fish farm. The temperature of the fish farm should be 20 to 30 centigrade. The use of fertilizers for the fish farm is also very important. There are 2 types of food. Number 1, cow dung etc. Vegetable waste, fruit waste. Number 2, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, ammonium nitrate, superfast stomach, diammonium phosphate, DAP, urea. Use compost from March to October. Do not use compost at the time of the rain. Spread the compost on the surface of the water. It is very necessary to increase the yield of the farm for the higher yield of the fish farm, and it is also very important to provide good doses for this. Rice, brown rice, polished chainpura, slice of fish, sunflower, corn, flour. Take a look at the sick fishes. The fish become lethargic. Food stops food. Reduces swimming too. Rub the body with the edges of the pond. The speed of breathing increases. Open the mouth and breathe. Ways to keep fish: few things. There is not much of the fish in place. Salt should also be used in a small pond. Oxygen must be less than 5 parts per million in the pond. Food should be properly placed in the pond. In this way, you can make a fish farm and make money at home. By investing a lot of small investments, you can earn a lot of profits. And you can do it as a part-time job even in your home. There will also be fish for home food, and you can earn a lot of money by selling it. If you like this video, please do it like. Thank you.